Shall we take questions from like people present here, or there
I
are
guess
questions
yeah,
left?
most of our questions are almost done. If anyone has any specific question, if you feel that your doubt or your question was not answered to this, feel free to put your question in the chats, or you can just turn on your
Unmute
mic and
yourself.
answer. Yeah.
And just adding on to it, before we do that, Ritesh, do you want to give a quick short intro of the starter kit, which we will make
Okay.
public pretty
Okay.
soon? Let us take the question
Yeah.
answer after that.
Yeah. Okay. I'll share my screen. Give me a second. Uh, okay. Is my screen any chance? Host disabled attendee screen. Who's the host? Could you either allow me
Asta, Abhiva, please screen share.
or screen share? Uh,
Hi now, Ritesh.
okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Cool. 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 I guess yeah. The screen is visible now. I'll just quickly open to give you a brief of this. We at DSC, like we have all come together and gathered a list of sources, resources that we feel are really good, and we for sure want to fund everyone else to go through them. Like it is a guide if you want to learn any particular thing, if you want to go ahead. These are the resources that we have gathered, right from videos to writings to articles, everything. And this will be published really soon. And yeah, so this is a glimpse. We are still adding quite a few things over here. We have, if you are getting into coding right now, we have it over here, like the courses or the things that you want to go through, starting your journey, get GitHub, computer science courses, all of those things. If you want recommendations for YouTube channels for various different fields, all are over here. Give us a second, it's loading. That is that we have specific YouTube channels related to tech. If you are into tech, you might be knowing quite a few among these. That is that if you want to learn any specific technology like JavaScript, GraphQL, be that anything, React, Node.js, anything, we have resources for them as well right over here. What exactly the technology is, what it can be used to build, and any other things that we have. We have free courses listed, we have paid courses listed, and some keywords that might help you get to know it well. And of course, at the end, list of famous companies or organizations that are using that particular knowledge or technology to build really cool stuff in the world, and this might help you get inspired. So yeah, this is there. And yeah, this is almost pretty much it. We have some tools which will obviously okay, yeah, everyone will be using some kind of editor, so we have our own recommendations. We'll be having ways how to configure and stuff, all the details listed up here pretty quick. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Yeah, okay, see, I was happy. These YouTube channels are coding specific, so we have our tags and stuff. Feel free to go through this. We'll share the link pretty soon. Do we have a link right now?
No, no, not yet, not yet.
Okay, okay. We are still developing it. We'll get all the things right from machine learning, data structures, algorithms to data sciences and web development, app development, everything listed over here. Feel free to go through it. There's a short description of each channel, what they focus on, and obviously the tags will help and the link just next to it. And yeah, this is it. Like everything that you want to get started will be right over here, and we'll be publishing this pretty soon.
And adding on to it, apart from this, we also have a social media series started pretty soon. So for those of you are unknown, you as a student get access to a lot of free resources, a lot of free tools when you have access to the nitarkil.ac.in mail ID. So we'll be having an entire series of tools and resources which you can leverage being a student using the student ID. So look forward to that social media series that will come on the Hack and IETR hackathon social media. So if you're not following them, go ahead follow Hack and IETR. That's the name of the handle on almost all social media. that is the hackathon that is done by NIT Rourkela. So the free tools is something which, trust me, as a fresher, you would definitely love, because it will involve everything from free hosting, free websites, free tools. This Notion thing that you see, that is also part of the free tool. So all the things that are possible, unimaginable, you will get for free as long as you are a student. So leverage the 4 years you have at NIT Rourkela. We will be sharing the links and the details of all of that on our social media. So wait for it. And with that, let us take some questions the participants have, if they have any, so that if at all